All right, so this week instead of science, we're actually going to shift over to social studies. And when you log into Social Studies Weekly, you will see there are 2 weeks that have been activated, week 4 and week 6. We are skipping over week 5. So in week 4, you're going to learn a little bit about Florida and how it's divided into 6 regions. So when you open up on Monday, you'll see in the directions that you're going to be reading this section right here about Florida's geology. So this will mention something called Pangea and how Florida was separated and how they actually believe that we were connected to Africa at one point. So you'll read through this section and then you can answer the questions that follow this section to earn some of those coins for Rev. On Tuesday, then you're going to go into this area, the 6 great regions. This is kind of a lot of reading right here. It's very specific with a lot of information about these 6 regions. So you're going to read through this section and then come up here and watch this video up here in the corner. It'll kind of do a really good job of summarizing that information and make it a little bit easier for you guys to retain and remember a lot of what you're learning here in this article. After you've read through those 2 sections, that's all that we're going to do from week 4. So then we're going to jump over into week 6. So my screen's going to look a little bit different from yours for just a moment. But when I open up week 6, now you guys can see. On Wednesday, this is the article or the portion of this week that you're going to be reading. It is titled Across the Icy Bridge. So you're going to learn a little bit about the word nomad and the people that were traveling in search of food that crossed a land bridge that is now actually the Bering Strait. And they came over here and they were some of the first people to venture into North America. After you read this section, you can watch this short video. It is called The Land Bridge. And then on Thursday, now we're going to kind of jump in and learn a little bit about some of Florida's natives. So some of those native tribes that first came here and lived in Florida. So when we scroll down, you will see there are several different tribes that you're going to be learning about. You can see them on my screen here. After you read through this section, what I'd like you guys to do is go up here and watch this short video. You're going to learn a little bit more about the Seminole tribe and even the Seminole War that took place here. And on Friday, let me find the last section here. On Friday, we're going to go down here and learn about the Tequesta and the Tocobaga tribes. This is a really short section, so you're just going to be introduced to these 2 tribes. They even point out where they're located on a Florida map. And basically what my goal is that you guys can be introduced to these native tribes this week, and then next week we will go even further learning about each of those tribes. So with the time that you have left over on Friday, you can get caught up on work that maybe you haven't completed yet, or you can even go through, now that you've answered all these questions and earned coins for Rev, you can go through and play some of the games if you would like. Those are located here at the end of each week, so week 4 and week 6. You can even try out some of those crossword puzzles. That's the week in social studies. And again, I know that those directions for each day are broken down into those folders here. And the screenshot that I've included here is that if you're reading the paper copy, which you guys do have, you should have Social Studies Weekly up to week 8 in that folder you picked up at the beginning of the school year. So just screenshots of each section if you're reading the paper copy, and just a reminder to go back and earn coins for Rev. Well, let me know if you guys have any questions about this week in social studies, and hopefully we have some time throughout the week that we can stop and kind of talk about what you're learning as we move through this week.